say I've driven mad. Lonely, only got one love, but this is all I wanna do. Couldn't even take another. Only lonely knows it's true. There on the back seat, only when you don't drive, even when you're wide awake, and all you wanna do is ride. It's so lonely, it's so lonely. Leave it to accelerate, and all you gotta do is ride. Only when you're separated, leading up to number one, like you gotta try. Every step is syncopated, running all the time to get out alive, to get out alive. Leave it to accelerate, and all you gotta do is ride. It's so lonely, it's so lonely. Leave it to accelerate, and all you gotta do is ride. It's so lonely, it's so lonely. Leave it to accelerate, and all you gotta do is ride. Tell it to me, I can feel all running through me, like nobody could. Tell it to me, tell it to me, baby. So lonely, only till I'm good. So lonely, only till I'm good. I don't wanna be another holding out for fame and form. Never really have forgotten all the things I've written down. Lonely, only got one love, but this is all I wanna do. Couldn't even take another. Only lonely knows it's true. There on the back seat, only when you don't drive, even when you're wide awake, and all you wanna do is ride. It's so lonely, it's so lonely. Leave it to accelerate, and all you gotta do is ride. Looking up at plain white ceilings, no one here is looking back. Then I think of all the people I could say I've driven mad. Lonely, only got one love, but this is all I wanna do. Couldn't even take another. Only lonely knows it's true. There on the back seat, only when you don't drive, even when you're wide awake, and all you wanna do is ride. It's so lonely, it's so lonely. Leave it to accelerate, and all you gotta do is ride.
So it's a beautiful combination of pumpkin, mushroom, garlic, the 2 olive oils that I bought. They're all infused, and the beautiful thing about it is the olives have soaked in all the flavours, and they're just divine. Together with lightly fried sourdough in the olive oil as well. A beautiful combination. It's a great party thing to just fry up some olives and serve them up hot in a little dish, and I just use stuff that I had lying around, really. You know, rosemary is a fantastic one to do with this. Rosemary and garlic. And get it all nice and crispy, whatever's with the olives anyway. Enjoy.